Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial of TechWiki channel. In this tutorial we're gonna talk about span and div in HTML5. And as you can see, span adds markup to text or portion of a document, but div defines a division of a document. You can see here what I mean. Span. For using span is we use here, we just wanna take portion of this document, change its color, its attribute like this, style, color, blue, like this. If I Control S, you can see it changed its color to blue. Or if you want to be more obvious, I can change it to red. You can see. This is just for a portion of a document. And if I want to change background, if you see, I can use style here, background color blue, and if I save it, you can see this changed to blue only. And if I use the div option here, div, and let me cut it, paste it here, and like this. And if I change the style in here, background color, and change it to blue, it doesn't change anything. It doesn't change the P. P maybe can have its own attribute. It's just a division of a document. It changes the division of document. And P will be the same one, the same as it is. And here another division. Here I can change the style to background color. Here I can use Rebecca purple. That's a color. You can see here it changed its color totally, and I can see I can put color here to white, and see it will change the whole paragraph or whole division of this document. But with a span we can just use a proportion of a document like this. And span and div came to HTML5, and they are so useful, and you can see in the future in CSS how you will use them as your main part of your HTML. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe so you won't miss my future videos.